Here you see in this question, fx belongs to q is rational number, fx belongs to q, then fx plus 1 must belong to, here r oblique q means you have to exclude rational number from real numbers. This means that fx plus 1 is an irrational number. Also you see that here you see if and only if. This means that you have to assume next time fx to be an irrational number, and you have to take here r this symbol, and you have to take fx plus 1 a rational number. Now first let us check this part, the first part. In this part you see fx belongs to q, and you see that in this question continuous function means, using the formula s tends to 0, fx minus h must be equal to h tends to 0, f x plus h equals to fx. This equation comes from the definition of continuity, because here it is given continuous function. In other word, we may write, and here you see this fx is a rational number, so this is an irrational number. This same thing can be written as I show you here. F x minus h comma f x plus h, this interval belongs to q, rational number, where h tends to 0. This means that in the neighborhood of fx, here q is a rational number, this says that this forces us to assume that there is a neighborhood in which there are only rational numbers. But we know that between two rational numbers there are infinite number of irrational numbers, so we got a contradiction here. And if you go in the second part, you will face the same contradiction. So there is no such function which satisfies the conditions of this question. So here in the blank space you see number of such functions is, here will be 0. There is no such function. Now this question is, the solution of this question is over.